Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Wednesday, August 24th, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Teachers, please post your attendance today between 8:20 and 8:30. Classroom phones, make sure that you turn up the volume on your classroom phones. Late duty. Today is Miss Curd, tomorrow's Miss Hatcher, and Friday's Miss Langford. Next week we have Miss Reynolds, Miss Barnes, Miss Waller, Miss Moeller, and Miss Shepherd. Important dates. This week we are continuing with our HMH growth measure. August 29th through September 2nd, we have the iReady Diagnostic 1. September 5th, Labor Day, no school. September 6th, Title I meeting for parents at 9 a.m. September 9th, Grandparents' Day lunch and Kona Ice. September 21st, Fall Makeup Picture Day. October 7th, end of first quarter. October 10th, no school teacher work day. Here is a refresher on the schedule for the HMH growth measure. Tomorrow, my kindergarten and first grade friends will be taking that in their classrooms. I hate that I'm not there to help you kindergarten and first grade friends, but I know they're going to do a great job. Also, in the morning, we have our fourth grade friends that are going to be in the computer lab and the collab lab. Then on Thursday, the 25th, we are going to finish strong with our fifth grade group. And we saved the best for last. We are going to finish up our HMH growth measure in the labs with our fifth graders on the 25th. That's all for today's news. Have a wonderful Wednesday, Kate Shepherd.